This is a quick video just to get you going straight away, having loaded all the prerequisite components. So by that I mean you've got a Postgres database instance running and whatever tables in there. I've got this one called ARMA test I'm going to use, but you could sort of have any table going in there. But Postgres is installed and up and running. I've also got my Python listener running. I know because I'm running it in idle, and there it is, listening on localhost on 8888 port. So you can see I'm in Eden Editor here, and I've loaded the Postgres SQLMOD demo, which is single player for Altus, and it is single player, but with slight adjustments to your script you can make it multiplayer. But like I said, this is single player, so I'm going to grab a trigger. I'm just going to do a simple SQL query on this. So I'm going to make it a radio activation, and this is something I've already created. So I'm just declaring a variable. This string will be stored in there in _JSON, which is select count from ARMA test, where the player name is me. So I've put a couple of things in. You can see single quotes in there, and I call this function, which is a kind of tidy up function. It comes with the demo map. It's probably best to use that really, because it puts escape characters in, for slashes and quotes and stuff. So it does a bit of tidying, and then I put result, populate result with this core to ARMA socket logger. So my DLL is in the ARMA3 folder. So that's the call extension with passing that string, i.e. the SQL statement, which, like I said, could be anything. I then set message again, just declaring that string, to records in ARMA test, and then I sort of concatenate the message with whatever the result is from the DLL and hint message. So I just run this as a single player. So 0, Juliet it was, 0, and you see in the top right there it says records in ARMA test 15. It's actually wrapped up with those square brackets. That's how I return it. And if I go to here and run the query in total number of records in there at the moment is 815. If I put that back in where its player name is Slugster, should be 15. And there you go, 15. So there you go, very quick, rapid fire, adding of a trigger once you've got everything installed. I hope you find that useful.